Today I'm going to teach you how to register for the online certification. So once you're at our home screen, which is ASPMA.org, right there, you're going to click this tab that says Certification. The Certification tab is going to take you to this page that tells you all about the certification, the exam, the sections, who to contact if you have questions. But right now we're going to focus on this section over here to the right hand side. And you're going to click, this is your first time registering, you're going to click this Login and Register Now button. That's going to bring you up to this page right here, which is the page that you will actually log into to take the exam. So the first thing you need to do is go here and click the course catalog, because you have to put something in your cart to register for the exam. So let's say we're going to do the administrative. You're going to click Add to Cart, and then you're going to view your cart. So you're going to make sure over here is the correct exam you want to take. This is the price, which does include a study guide, and it can take up to 2 weeks to receive that in the mail. Now, just because you register online to start taking this, as long as you don't start a test, you have time to study. So don't worry about that, okay? So then you're going to go to Checkout. That's going to take you to this page, which is a lot like the other one, but this one is first time users click here. So if you've never taken the certification online before, this is where you're going to go, right here. You're going to click that button. And you're going to fill out all of these items that have an asterisk on them, okay? So it's important that if you just registered for this exam, that you have your ASPMA membership number. So you need to give it time. If you just became a member with ASPMA like a week ago or a day ago, that you need to wait till they give you a number, okay? And it can take about 2 weeks to 3 weeks to get that ASPMA number, but you will receive a letter in the mail. So anyways, to take the exam, you got to fill out all of this information, and then you hit submit. Now remember, you need to keep your user ID and your password. Okay, so once you've done that, you're good to go. So now what you do to actually take the exam is, you could have just hit login on there, but when you leave and come back, so if you don't want to take all the sections at once, you want to take the 30 days that you're allotted to take the exam, which is 30 days, not 31, not 35, but it's 30 days. You put in your user ID, you put in your password, and you hit login. And then you start taking them. Now just remember, every section that shows you in here, they are timed. Every single section is timed. You need to make sure that you have time to do each of those sections. Now you can look at the test sections and the time frames before you take the exam. Just do not open that section unless you're ready to take it, because you will be timed and it will start immediately. So make sure that before you open any of those individual sections that you're ready to take the test. Okay? If you have any questions, feel free to email Elizabeth, but make sure to give her time to get back to you, because she does work her day job of podiatry like we all do. And if you call her, please leave her a voice message, as calls left without a message will not be returned. Thank you and good luck with your test.